How do you turn instant noodles into this lush bucket, creamy, delicious pasta dish? Well, I'm gonna show you how. This is my 10-minute creamy lemon ramen. All right guys, just a few little additions, just, a few pantry ingredients, and you got yourself like one luscious pasta dish going on here. Let's have a look at making that sauce first of all. So this is like a riff on lemon spaghetti, like creamy lemon spaghetti, but with a few kind of twists and turns here and there. First off, with the sauce, you wanna start off with some olive oil and some miso paste. Yes, you guys know I love this one. It's the salty umami kind of factor that I'm going for here. And now you want some lemon zest. And then some lemon juice as well. And of course, we need a whole bunch of cheese here because everything is better with cheese. That's what I think anyway. A whole lot of Parmesan is going in here. I'm not gonna lie guys, this is totally not what you wanna be putting on your Instagram feed right now. We're gonna heat this through, stir it around. It's gonna be a bit ugly duckling at the beginning, but don't worry, trust me, it will all work out in the end, I promise. Okay, so even though it looks kind of like a little bit lumpy, it's just heated through. The miso is sort of kind of disintegrated there. So what I'm gonna do is turn the heat off and I'm gonna cook our noodles. And what are we going for today? We're doing some instant ramen noodles. So your little packet of convenience here. And we've got some little goodies in here. We've got some little vegetable flakes. We've got some little powdery spicy goodness here because this is like a spicy one. Of course I'm going to choose the spicy one. We might come back to those little additions later, but let's get these noodles out. And of course, because these are ramen noodles, they're really quick to cook, so don't overcook them. Get them straight into some water. And just kind of jiggle them around and push them around until they are just al dente. Yes, ramen noodles, instant even, can be, al dente. Fancy. Makes it sound fancy, doesn't it? Just cook them till they're a little bit chewy. Now the cool thing about using these ramen noodles instead of spaghetti is that this gets done so much quicker. Spaghetti takes way longer to cook. And just when I can see those noodles kind of loosening up, I'm gonna get them straight into that sauce that we made. Now the real secret here to making the creamy sauce is not cream, it's actually to use some of that noodle cooking water. Pop that in, and that's gonna kind of emulsify and finish the noodles cooking and also give you that creamy sauce. I'm gonna add in some spring onions here too. Now you want the heat on here and you just wanna toss and swirl that pan and those noodles for a couple of minutes here. And this is where the magic starts to happen, my friends. All right, have a look at that creaminess. Oh my goodness. It's this kind of lush that gets me so excited. Okay, so at this point we want to have noodles that are perfectly cooked, so they're not overcooked, they're not soggy. We want to have that beautiful creaminess going on there with the sauce. And if you need to add a little bit more pasta water, you can, but I think this is looking pretty good. Look at that noodle pull, the steam, the creamy, oh my goodness, all the things. So dramatic. Who knew noodles could be so dramatic? And you want a little bit more cheese because, everything's better with cheese. Another little sprinkling of some spring onions. Okay, final little bits that are gonna amp this up completely. I mean, it's already gonna be great, I can tell, because it's just so creamy and lush, but a little bit more. Just take your little seasoning packet. This is a nice spicy one, so it's gonna give us a really great hint of, chili hit at the end. Hint of chili hit. Nah, I'm gonna put enough on here, it'll give you a good punch. And there we go. I don't even think it's been 10 minutes. It's 5-minute lemon ramen. Anyway, we'll put 10 just in case. I don't like to cheat you guys. I want to make sure you can always get it done in the time. Oof, let's have a look. Honestly, that is like just comfort in a bowl. Like you got the spicy, right? You got the spicy thing going on, you got the creamy thing going on, and then you got like that beautiful, like sort of citrus, lemon, like sunshine going on. Yes. Just yes.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.